In this video, I'm going to be playing with Lego. So yes, I'm going to be playing with a Lego set, but with one handicap. I'm going to have my hands tied behind my back. I can use my mouth, I can use my feet. Having my hands tied behind my back has always been a big thing for me anxiety-wise. As soon as I have restriction of my arms, I tend to get a bit anxious and it starts skyrocketing. The whole idea of this video and the channel in general is for me to kind of push the boundaries of my anxieties and try and make myself do things that I never normally would do. So now let's see what kind of Lego set I'm going to be building.
Would you look at that?
Ah yes, Lego City.
A man has fucking died in Lego City.
What a fitting item. A trash bin for garbage content. How about that? I chose one that's small enough because I'm not going to get one of those huge sets. If I can't use my hands, it's going to be a struggle enough to do this one, let alone a big set. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to ask my dad to tie my hands behind my back and we will get started. Just don't go too crazy because like I said, this is an anxiety thing for me. Oh, that tape is already catching my hairs. Oh, it's pulling my hairs like crazy. Okay, all right. Okay. I've just realized that I've now tied my hands behind my back and I've not opened the box. Progress. All right, I'm going to use my feet. Don't want any of you weirdos looking too much into this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
This is it! All right! Woo!
I don't even know how I'm going to get into the little packets. I might have bitten off a bit more than I could chew. How am I even going to get the instructions out? Oh, there's stickers as well. Okay, what did I get myself into? Yeah. There we go. Okay.
You just have to say that you're fine.
I might need some help with this one.
Nah, put your foot on it. I like rip your tooth.
I'm not that flexible. What do you think? Ah. I'm not sure what I can actually do now because it's going to actually be really hard for me to get into this.
Well,
With just my feet, what do you reckon I should do?
Tell you what, right? Toss it over here. That guy is fucking cheating! He's cheating!
Okay.
There's no way you're gonna do that.
There's no way I'm going to...
There's no way you're gonna do that. You're
I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I'm a master.
I'm telling you.
I'm a master builder, watch.
Yeah, go on.
Are you sure about that?
Green peas first. How am I going to do these little tiny pieces?
I don't know. Just remember, I've got to start cooking dinner in 5 hours. Defeat.
I don't know if that's going to be any better.
That wasn't a joke. Defeat.
Ha 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 ha. I don't think this is going to be any easier. Okay. It's stuck to my foot. It is stuck to my foot. Come on. Come on, I was so close then.
Right, son, what about if I did a few bits for you, just like I did when you were a little boy, and then you take over?
Well, to save time, I don't want to be here for hours on end trying to put one little piece on. Although it kind of goes against the idea of the video, I think I'm going to need a tiny bit of help.
Right, well, let me get it to a position where you might be able to do something.
Boo!
A few moments later.
For fuck's sake. This is so difficult. Okay. Now, let's move this forward. Okay. Sake.
You didn't mean to do that.
I can't do this. This is too difficult. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just going to have to build it. I tried my hardest. But this is near to impossible. Ow! Okay. So this thing's fucking defeated me. I'm just going to build it and see what I can salvage.
Don't much like it. Let's see if he'll go away. No? Okay. Alright, I'm done with this. Alright, we'll give it one more try. Nope. Okay, we're done.
This thing has defeated me. Unfortunately, I can't do it. It's too big of a task, and it's almost impossible to do without your hands. So unfortunately I'm going to have to give up and call it there. Tried my best. This video was all about overcoming one of my anxieties, and when I managed to focus on my task, it wasn't present. So that says a lot about one of my biggest fears. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you want to complain about how I didn't go through with what I said I was going to do, then leave a comment. And tune in next time where I join the church choir.